So a lot of customers have this doubt that the scrunchie bun may fall from their hair, but that is not true. If you wear it properly and secure it nicely, it won't fall down. How? I'll show you in this tutorial. So first of all, let me tell you, if you have thick hair or long hair, you need to wear the scrunchie bun in a single fold. But if you want to do a half up, or if you have thin hair, you can fold this scrunchie bun and twist it like a scrunchie. This is because if you have less hair, this scrunchie can be folded twice. Let me show you the ways how you can wear it properly. Like right now, I'm going to make a bun of all of my hair. Okay, so now I've made a bun of my own hair, and you can look at it. It looks really untidy and too small. So now I'm gonna grab this scrunchie, and you can see this part of the scrunchie in which you can see that the hair are going backwards. This part needs to face your head, while this part in which you can see that all the hair are falling, this part would go outside. So I'm gonna grab the scrunchie and I'm just gonna wrap it just like that. That's it. It's that easy to wear the scrunchie. Another thing you need to do is you need to cover your own hair bun using the hair of the scrunchie. Now you can look at the volume that I've got using this scrunchie bun, and this looks really pretty and amazing. This low bun style is really cool and really suitable for the wedding functions. Like if you wanna go for any traditional look, you can use this bun in a low bun style. You can see that it's really secure enough, and I do not need to put any pins here because I'm shaking my head and it's not falling. If you want your scrunchie to be more secure, and if you have doubts that it will fall, what you can do is you can use these bobby pins, and you can just simply insert these pins in your bun like that, and it will give you a more better grip. Yeah, so now it's even more secure. Now I'll show you how to remove it. So you just need to grab your scrunchie like that, and voila, it's that easy to remove it. Now I'll show you that if you have thinner hair, like very few hair, or if you want to do a half up, what you can do is you can twist the scrunchie and fold it like that. Now let's make a half up. I'm gonna go grab a scrunchie. I'm gonna just fold it like that, like a rubber band, and it's a very simple and easy trick, and this looks really awesome. This is personally my favorite style, and it's really secured enough. Like you can see, I'm shaking my hair and it's not getting out, and also it's really comfortable. Now let's do a top knot. Again, reminding you, this part will face my head. Wearing it like that again, and then I'm hiding my own hair bun using my scrunchie's hair. Now you can have a look from the back as well. It looks really cool, you know. And if you want a more secure grip, like I'm twisting it again. Okay, my head is spinning, but the scrunchie is not out again. But if you wanna have a better grip, you can use the pins again in this bun. Another hairstyle which you can do using this scrunchie bun is you can do two space buns, and that looks really kiddish, but it's good for kids, I can say. Now let's try that. You know Ariana Grande, she used to do so much of space bun look. Now you can see how small my section of the hair is. You can see these babies, they look so funny. So now I am just holding the bun, so just wrapping it around, and done. But this looks messy, so you need to do a neat bun style. So what you wanna do is you are gonna use some pins to give it a neat finish. I look funny, I know, but still you can see the difference in my both buns. Now since I don't have another bun in natural black color, so I'm using this dark brown one, and you can also spot the difference that how the color of the bun impacts your look, you know. So a matching color is really important. So I'm just showing you how dark brown looks on me, and this is a natural black, and that's it. This is without setting, this is with setting, and this is, and you can see how voluminous it is. I look like a cat. I don't know. अगर ये बहुत funny लगे तो उसको वीडियो में मत डालना. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I know it's looking really funny, but it looks really cute. I love it. So I hope you love this hairstyle. You can see the dark brown also looks cool. It's not matching my hair though, but it's looking cool if you want different color, look or feel. Okay, so I hope this tutorial really helped you, and you can use this scrunchie bun with the Indian fits as well as with the Western fits. And we also have some really beautiful accessories at Gemeria which you can use and pair up with this scrunchie bun. So I hope this tutorial helped you. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.